Well, good morning. This is the Delta Victor 1 Kilo Juliet Alpha. And if you can recognize my voice, well, I'm not feeling well, but I have to do this video for the sake of Old Man Leo in Zamboanga to test how caller ID will work on Motorola GM300 and at the same time on Motorola GP88 or any Motorola units that has MDCC 1200. Okay, as of now, I put some reminders that on the yellow part on the antenna, that is A2, and on the other side is A1 for the caller ID. So I'm not going to distinguish the frequency anymore. We have to establish the caller ID system. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this is a portable GP88 with the caller ID A1. Look, once I press it, then I press, okay, you can see the caller ID on Alpha 1. And then on the other side, we got the GP88 also with the yellow on the top, as a distinguish that this is A2. Okay, so that is the caller ID for Alpha 2. Okay, so I think we got it right now. To test it good, 73s and good numbers. Delta Victor 1 Kilo Juliet Alpha signing out.